All right, Erica, go ahead. Tell us why you came here.
I came here because I was in a car accident and experienced extreme back and neck pain from that, but I also, seems like it's something I might have needed before.
See, Erica, like when I look at your legs right now, it looks like the left one's pulling short.
Okay. Ooh, that felt good. Fabulous. So good. I was waiting for that.
And chin up slightly.
Ooh. Ooh. That felt good.
This leg straight. Bottom towards me. Okay. Bet you felt that in your ankle. Okay, so what you want to do is kind of bring your shoulders back.
Okay.
Tuck your chin in, maybe bring your head back. That's the kind of posture.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
How does it feel better?
Lighter, less tight, especially up in here. Yeah.
Move your head around, see if it feel like it's moving a little further.
I mean, yes, definitely. Less tight
Less
in
tightness.
here. Absolutely. And it feels a little easier to move.
Good.
Yes. Yes.
How about going backwards? Because that was the one that's a little bit more restricted, right?
Right. Like my whole
Like in the
back.
lower, yeah.
Yeah, that feels better.
What would you say to somebody who's never been to a chiropractor?
It's definitely worth trying. Yes.
Yes.
And I'm
okay.
excited to continue.